Hello friends, so this is one of the gifts which I got from my wife as we started 2021. This is one of the gifts she won from Fortress of Solitude website using one of their contests where they were giving away this Redragon Draconic wireless RGB mechanical keyboard. I really wanted to have one of those keyboards with all these lights flashing, and then I really wanted it in my life, and to my surprise my wife gifted it to me. So this comes in dust proof brown color, and it's high speed, high control, high response. So looking at the box is really nice, and there are certain features which I want to tell you. It has advanced wireless connection, the true RGB backlighting, compatible with PC, tablet and cell phone, which is really nice, and software available for professional gamers also, and then type C to USB charging cable, which is really revolutionary as most of the devices generally have the old mini USB charging points. And it comes with a mechanical keyboard switch for DIY, so it comes with a tool where I can replace these buttons with something else. And so about the features of this keyboard, this is low power consumption, 3 platforms included: PC, tablets and cell phone, as I already told you, 61 keys, compact portable design, RGB backlighting, built-in battery, type C to USB charging cable, software available for gamers, which is only for Windows system. So this is still a sealed pack which I haven't opened, so let's bring our unboxing knife and open it. So friends, we have our unboxing knife ready. So let's cut the seal. So the box is open now, and let's see the contents, what we have got inside this Draconic. And this is the first time I will be unboxing a keyboard of this sort. I always wanted a RGB keyboard, for my desk setup. So let's see what the box contains. So the box is coming out now. So it has Redragon, and the eye is really shining in a red color, which is really nice. So there is a box inside the box, and then we're going to unbox this one. And what we have here is a small Redragon mechanical gaming switches. So these are some of the extra switch replacements. So we are going to keep it aside, and then we have the original keyboard. Let's see the keyboard. Wow, this is really nice and sturdy. It's really heavy, and so it has these stands which we can put, and it's rubber stands to make it look good. And then with these things, it's going to keep itself in the same position. And what's written here, let's see. It has mechanical keyboards, 5V, 350 milliampere, Draconic. The number of the keyboard is K530 RGB, and it has Bluetooth 5.0 RGB connection, which we can do. And on the side, if we see, we have this on off button, and then B1, B2, B3. This must be to connect to multiple devices in one go, and a type C charger. And there is no button on any of the sides, and we have this Redragon logo. So this is really nice, and you can see the noise is really nice. I really like it. So let's see what more we have got in the box. So we have a charging cable, type C to USB, and then we also got certain stickers, as well as the instruments to open up the keyboard. Keeping them aside. So this is something I'm not going to do a lot, but I really like this sticker. This is a Redragon sticker which can definitely now go onto my laptop, and this is a manual as usual. So and let's see what we have in the box. Small little box. How many keys they have given us? Oh, okay, so they have given us 4 keys in 4 different colors, so which is really nice. So in case of anything that spoils or something, we can easily change these things using the tool provided. So this is the action behind the keyboard. So let's try to switch it on and see how does the colors look like. Switching it on, as you can see, the light is flashing in different colors in a circular fashion. So it's blue now, it's changing every certain minutes. I think the battery, the Bluetooth connection is on now, so I can connect it to any of the devices. So it's changing colors in a cyclical fashion. So I have to find out how do we change the colors, or how do we plan to do. I think I might have to read through the manual, but in a first go, this is a really nice keyboard which I am really enjoying. So, and this is I don't know the price of the keyboard, but it must be near about like 1200 rands or something like that, but I really like it. And I have to make the room darker so that you can see the colors, so which I really like this purple color as well as the red one. So I wish that this Redragon also has to lit up in some way or the other, but let's go to the manual and see how to change the colors. After going through the manual, which is really 2-3 pages only, and I came to know about certain features. This light will keep on flashing green when it's charging, and it gets to charge for like 10 hours or so. And to just show you, I'll switch it on and how to change the colors. So there are 2 function keys. One is function 1 and one is function 2. So function 2, if you press and then press 9, the thing changes, and if you press function 2 and 0, the light stops. So you can switch it on and switch it off. Basically, if you play the light, definitely it's going to consume a lot of battery. So function 2, and then if you press 9, you can see, you can make the changes to different kind of variations of the light. So function 2 and 9. So this is one of the scenarios. Then function 2 plus 9. So this is one of the scenarios, and then changing it. This is one. I really like the rainbow one. So I really like this one, which is like it's changing a lot of colors across the keyboard. So which is really nice. So, and then let's try another. So this is a faster version of a single color across the board. Then this is multicolored. So I really like this. The colors are different in all the lines. So which is really nice. To really enjoy the keyboard, we will need a lot of dark space or environment, but as we are shooting in the day, so you will see what you are going to see now. So but I really like this keyboard, and thank you very much to Fortress of Solitude for sending this Redragon Draconic keyboard my way, and I'm really thankful to my wife for winning the same and gifting it to me. Thanks a lot. For any questions, you can definitely post some comments on my YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram handles, and I'll definitely revert back to you regarding any of those queries. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Bye bye.